she was telling us about a story about some dude, and he killed like a ton of people. Do you remember
Like
that?
in a bus?
Yeah. Well, it was like a little sidecar bus thing like that. It was like a trailer. You don't know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about. Anyhow, he killed a ton of people up in there, and
all right, let's go in the murder bus. Good morning. It's a good day to frolic in some lavender fields. The weather is beautiful, and we're really excited about this because I think it's more underrated. And the lavender farm has this gift shop that has a bunch of products, food, all kinds of stuff that they sell that is all made from the lavender that they grow. We're also really excited just to go and see the sights and the smell and enjoy the weather. It's about a 2-hour drive, so we're gonna bring some snacks and kind of jam out to some music and take you guys with us. And if you look to your left over here, you will see the Wisconsin state flower, the construction cone. We made it!
we're here, finally.
We just pulled up and we just parked, and it's really pretty. The property is much bigger than we thought it was gonna be. They have like a little patio, lots of fields, and it goes even further, like behind those trees over there. Just taking like a self-guided tour through their property. We're kind of just walking through the lavender fields. So there are lavender bushes of all different shapes and sizes. I feel like most of them, the bigger ones that have reached maturity, have already been harvested. There are some over here that you can kind of see some purple on, but yeah, I suggest that if you guys do come to the lavender fields, definitely come when they're actually like in bloom and you can actually see and smell them. And they're more potent. What's pretty cool is that behind us there's this beautiful field of wildflowers. There's all kinds of bees and butterflies and bugs, and it's really nice walk through the wildflowers. You get to really kind of see nature do its thing. But if you're not a fan of bugs, don't do it. We ordered a bunch of different kinds of drinks as well as the lavender ice cream, and we also got a lavender cupcake. We got cherry chai, strawberry lemonade, and lavender latte.
Just leave me alone. Just me and the ice cream. Oh my god, this is so good.
Claudia had this great idea to put the ice cream into the strawberry lemonade, so we're gonna make a float. Not too much. Oh, the whole thing. All right. It actually looks pretty cool.
This made it way better. Because I love lemonade, but that's pretty cool. Here.
I want to try it. Hold on. Wow, that is actually a lot better. You taste a lot more of the lavender, obviously. And when it comes to the float idea, yeah, gotta do that when you come here.
Since we got done at the lavender fields so quickly, we decided to Google search any other interesting spots near the lavender farms, and we came across this place. Roscoe the clown car. It's creepy. That's creepy.
No. No. Keep walking. No.
If this comes to life, I'm running.
It's literally called the Happy Hatter.
By the way,
The Happy Hatter?
ain't nothing happy about that. This is super crazy.
This is one of those places that you would not want to be at night. Like, in the daytime, it's really like magical. It's almost kind of whimsical, kind of mad scientist vibes, but it's very cool. It's art, and there's all kinds of sculptures and things that you can just kind of tell, like, whoever created these pieces, their imagination is just running wild, and to have like all this space to display your works of art is really cool. But yeah, there's definitely kind of creepy vibes, just a little bit. The rest is really cool though. They all have eyes, like mouths and faces.
Yeah, it definitely reminds me of Transformers.
Yeah.
Do you remember watching, what's that woman who does her makeup and tells us scary stories? She was telling us about a story about some dude, and he killed like a ton of people. Do you remember
Like
that?
in a bus?
Yeah. Well, it was like a little sidecar bus thing like that. It was like a trailer. You don't know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about. Anyhow, he killed a ton of people up in there.
All right, let's go in the murder bus. Murder bus, here we come. So we didn't go inside the murder bus because when we were about to go inside the murder bus, we realized that it was someone's office. Just to give you a scope of how big this thing is, there's Claudia. It's huge. How'd they get SpongeBob's car here? When doors are like kind of open like that. Where's he going? Alright, we're following Drew down this random trail. Ow! A lot of sharp sticks.
Yeah, careful.
Is it meant to be something that we climb up and over? Do we stop here? No one knows.
Let's turn around.
There's berries here.
Oh. Is it grapes?
I think so. There's a bunch.
Yeah. It's kind of like a grapevine.
I dare you. Double dog dare you.
What's in it?
A chair.
Oh no.
That's creepy.
We're just gonna close that.
What'd you think?
It was pretty cool. I liked it a lot. It's something different for everybody to see.
The fact that the artist has so much land to collect all of these things and make it into a whole weird world, like a Mad Max dystopian type vibe. It's really awesome.
So that wraps up our trip to Forever Tron. Definitely recommend to anybody who's in the area. It's free, but they do take donations. Highly recommend giving a donation just to kind of keep things like this alive. Art is pretty much anything that is a way for people to express themselves that also can invoke emotion in other people. And definitely, even though like there were some things that were creepy or there were some things that were like, why? I feel like it's doing its job. That's what art does. It's supposed to be thought-provoking or make you think, you know? So we're heading out. We're going to go get some food. We're gonna stop by this vegan place called Cheese with a Z in downtown West Baraboo, and then we are going to head home. The cheese factory. Cute. None of us are vegan, but we really like to try vegan food because A, it's freaking delicious, and if you're trying to eat healthy or at least avoid red meat, it's awesome. This is the Tijuana tostada that Drew got. It's filled with like veggies, vegan cheese, black beans. This is their spaghetti and meatless sauce. It looks so good. A+ for presentation. This is their hummus plate. It's got grilled pita, cucumbers and tomatoes, fresh hummus, and olives. I've actually never had like grilled pita like that before, so I'm really excited to try it. Finally, this is their delicious sandwich. It's kind of their take on like a vegan Italian sandwich. It's got like vegan Italian sausage, pepperonis, kind of like Italian meats, but it's not real meat, as well as a bunch of sauce and banana peppers. It looks good. We stopped at a gas station for some gas, and there's kind of like a tourist spot here that you can stop at. It's a giant pink elephant, and he's got glasses. Also, there is a sweet corn stand. It's self-serve on our system. We're getting out, and we're getting some corn.
$4 for a dozen? For what? Oh, they have bags.
Oh. Yeah, we could put it in that bag then.
Dropbox.
$4 for 13 years? Of course.
We're giving them an extra doll hair. Going in the Dropbox.
You gotta make sure they're good.
We got it.
We made it back home. Drew and I were thinking about taking other day trips, checking out different tourist attractions in Wisconsin. And honestly, we were able to make a list and really discover things and places and things to do that we never even heard of before. So more Wisconsin trips to come. Exploring your own state, that's something that for some reason we didn't even realize, like, duh, we can do that. So we're gonna be trying to check out more places local to our state. I just wanted to show you guys what we all got at New Life Lavender Farm. We ended up buying a bunch of stuff at the gift shop. They literally spray the tissue paper with lavender mist. It smells amazing. We were able to get a baking mix. This is a white chocolate lavender cookie mix. We also got several teas: peach, ginger, lavender tea, lavender mint lemon tea. They're loose leaf teas, and these are about $10 each. The cookie mix was also $10. Obviously, when it comes to like local artisan stuff like this, you're gonna be paying more than you would at a grocery store, but for us it was worth it. You're supporting a local farm, you're supporting just local people in general, small business. So we were more than happy to pay the price to get good quality stuff. And obviously we know where the lavender comes from, so awesome stuff. Lavender sugar, never even heard of it before, so you can kind of see all of the bits of lavender in it. Peach lavender jam. And then last but not least, wanted to try this lavender face cleaner. It's got a lot of natural ingredients in it. It's got lavender essential oils, pomegranate, green tea, and acai extracts, and it smells super good. So I've been breaking out a lot lately, so I'm excited that this will probably help kind of calm the skin because it's got green tea and lavender oil. And I think it would be just a really nice relaxing facial cleanser to do right before bed so that you can kind of relax, chill, and sleep easier. So yeah, that's all we got. Oh, one more thing. So since we weren't able to really see the lavender bushes in bloom, they harvested some of the last little bits of the lavender bushes. I definitely recommend that if you don't get anything in the gift shop, at least get some fresh lavender. It smells amazing, and it's just, we had it in the car on the way home and just kind of left it on the dash, and it makes the whole car smell so good. That's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and hit that bell so you can get notifications when we come out with new videos. We're not coming out with videos as fast as we want to, obviously, because we're not able to travel, but still being able to go on adventures and take you guys with us has been fun. And so we're gonna continue to try and take you guys on a couple more day trips and a couple more adventures. And we're also thinking about making some food videos as well, so stay tuned for that. We'll see you guys at the next one.